Hey guys, welcome back to another video, Captain's Outdoors TV. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted. It's been slow. The fall fishing's been really slow. I've gone fishing a lot. Some of those haven't been really successful. Other of those trips have been, and then a lot of those trips this fall have been just not enough to make a video, and that's why I'm going to make like a kind of random catch video, just catches that weren't enough to make a video. I actually still have a couple catches from late August like early September that are still like not edited yet because they're just not enough to make a video. So I'm just gonna make a bunch of like catches, like, you know, the days you have only one catch is not enough to make a video. So I'm gonna make a bunch of those in basically one video, and so just lost footage. Anyway, this video is gonna be a quick little fishing vlog of an average day on Cayuga Lake. Actually, this was kind of a crappy day on Cayuga Lake. It was really slow. The bite was slow. Got on a couple pickerel, but something's up with Cayuga Lake's just not producing the bass. Well, it's just fall time, and just couldn't find any of those schools, even trying bridges and stuff. So you're just gonna see that in the video. But so let's get into the video. Alright guys, we got a nice pickerel. Nice size pickerel. Come on, let go of the hook. Let go of the hook. Let go of the hook. There you go. Ugh. I don't have pliers. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I don't have pliers and I gotta deal with that. There you go, guys. I have no pliers, got them at home, so I've been lucky with the two pickerel I caught. Real question is if the fish are here in the fall. And should I fish docks? Or what should I fish? Now, I've fished everything you can think of to fish on the northern end of this lake, except for docks. Just maybe I should go over and flip docks. I don't know how shallow those docks are though, especially this time of year. So guys, bass fishing's been working out horribly. So you know what? Ah, crap, there's a log right there. But anyway, so I'm gonna go try to get a pickerel that's hiding in the weeds. Just saw. Got it. He spit it. Dang it. Alright, that's it. We're done. Guys, it was a long day for the short amount of time we went out there. Tried, casted, did everything I could to try to figure out where these fish were within the time I had, and I just could not find them. Found pickerel with no bass. Found bluegill too, just no bass, and so couldn't find them. But you know what? This weekend I think I'm gonna go to the river, and that's a lot easier. And I have faith in the river, a lot of faith in the river, so hopefully we get on this weekend. But hope you enjoyed this video. We didn't catch much, but it just shows you, the real grind you have sometimes on Cayuga Lake. We tried going all over the place, couldn't really just set a hook into any of them. So hope you guys enjoyed the vid though, and stay tuned for this weekend. Tight lines, and please subscribe, and have a good day.